Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Stremio on iOS. If you want to use Stremio on iOS, first of all, go ahead and download Stremio from your app store. Search for Stremio by clicking right here, search, and then you gotta just download the app, alright? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and create an account, open the app and sign up for a new account and log in if you already have one. And now once you actually set up your own add-ons, once logged in, navigate to the add-ons section and install the add-ons for the content that you want to stream, movies, TV show, etc. And then you can use the search bar to browse through the categories to find the content that you want to watch, and you can select the title, choose a streaming source, and enjoy watching your content. And you can adjust the app settings to your preference, including subtitles, playback quality, and notifications. And then that's it. Enjoy using Stremio on your iOS device. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.